I got the Kemimoto canvas covers slash zipper doors on the 800XL. They're for the Uforce 1000XL. I got the flip up window. You can see Velcroed on the doorway. It doesn't fit there. I'm gonna put some zip ties, but undid the roof and then pushed these all up. The back panel, I need to take care of that a little bit, but I'm just gonna probably do a zip tie around that and up over there. Was in the process of using the rubbing alcohol, cleaning stuff up, but overall, I think it's pretty good. Not sure what I'm gonna do at the bottom yet. I might just do some earth magnets down here. Obviously, I'm gonna zip tie that. I'm gonna do some Gorilla Glue too. I'm not too worried about that until some other manufacturers come out with a little more process for just winter protection. But so far, I really think the Kemimoto doors for the 1000XL are fitting pretty good. Literally, nothing's really changed. I'm gonna go around. I don't know what I'm gonna do here yet. I still have my netting and stuff on, but we'll see. It's mainly just for the kids and wife to enjoy the riding in the winter a little bit and have some wind protection. I'm probably gonna put a diesel heater in the back. I got a canvas rear window to put in so I can cut a hole through that. I might actually see if I can do it underneath the seat, but so far it's coming out really well.